Hello traders. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the XMeter indicator for MT4. This tool displays the currency strength style meter in a compact panel, so you can quickly see which currencies are relatively strong or weak before you choose pairs to trade. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the yellow inputs. Right, there we go. You can see how it looks. The XMeter indicator appears as a small dashboard on your MT4 chart, listing multiple currencies with associated strength values or bars. Currencies with higher readings are usually identified as stronger, while those with lower readings are identified as weaker. By comparing these values, you can quickly spot strong versus weak combinations that may offer clearer trending conditions. As for the settings, let's look at what's available at the inputs. Alright, settings typically include which currencies are pairs are included in the meter and the calculation period used to derive each strength value. You can usually adjust smoothing or weighting, so the readings are either more reactive for scalping or smoother for swing trading, and customize colors so strong and weak currencies stand out. So who is it for? The XMeter indicator is suited to traders who like to build trade ideas starting from relative currency strengths, such as trend followers and basket traders. It does not generate entries or exits by itself, can lag around sharp news-driven moves, and should always be combined with chart-based technical and fundamental analysis, plus clear risk management rules. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the XMeter indicator MT4 and see example workflows at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.